Remember that massive crash we saw in silver prices about 6 weeks ago? Well, let's take a look at what's happened to it since then. I'm Michael, a pastor and options trader who runs a community for Christian traders who want to develop more consistency in their short term trading. And I'd love for you to hit the follow button for more content like this while we're at it. But the day that silver dropped 30% in a single day, I made a video about it, and a lot of people commented on that video saying it was only temporary and that prices were going to go right back up. And most of them, to be fair, were thinking much longer term than 6 weeks. But I wanted to check in now that we're at a month and a half out and see what's happened during that time. These kind of sharp emotional moves usually lead to what we're seeing happen in silver right now. Silver hasn't continued crashing and it hasn't made a V bottom recovery. Instead, it has, for the last month and a half or so, SLV has mostly just been chopping sideways. So we've tested the lows of that crash a couple of times, but buyers have stepped in each time and driven the price back up. But at the same time, sellers have kept a lid on it, and we've not even attempted really to reclaim the high of that crash day. So right now, the market looks like it's doing something very common after a major move. It's just consolidating. And that usually means that the market is trying to decide what comes next. So the big question for silver now is really pretty simple. Do we eventually break back above that crash high and recover fully? Or does this consolidation eventually lead to another leg lower? And right now it looks like the market's still trying to decide. But in the meantime, I've been able to place some short term calendar and diagonal spreads that have really paid well because those spreads are excellent tools for consolidating markets. And if you want to learn more about how to use them, just drop your question in the comments below. I would be happy to help out.